What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, I want to take you through a position that came across my desk a while ago. I talked about it before in a previous video, Bitcoin ETF, and we're going to talk about it again today because some people on Patreon have mentioned to me within certain pre-sale positions that Bitcoin ETF, they've made a decent amount from the staking side of things and are enjoying what their gains actually have been. So I want to talk about this play because we're getting closer and closer to the actual Bitcoin ETF being approved, and this will make Bitcoin ETF token fly. So let's talk about that connection. Let's talk about what it offers on the website, what it offers with the token itself, and what you can expect from it as time goes on. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out Bitcoin ETF, I will provide those links in the description. Now let's talk about this play because when it first came across my desk, I saw it and I was like, this is interesting because it's playing on the hype that is surrounding the Bitcoin ETF and what will surround cryptocurrency in general. And you should see that connection really move as you have something that's this popular. I've been seeing advertisements for Bitcoin ETF token on CoinMarketCap, on, I believe, CoinGecko, on different places, so many different places and different websites and stuff. And it's interesting to see that many places to where it is, at. And people that are interested in that, and probably a lot of people clicking on it and seeing what it's all about. So it's definitely something that has gained a lot of attention based on their marketing strategy and the things that they've done, and also just the name in general. So Bitcoin ETF token, the only token rewarding holders as Bitcoin ETFs are approved. So right now they're within the pre-sale currently. So you can see the price. You have 0 days, 7 hours, and 2 minutes 39 seconds until the next price increase. Currently, you have $3.9 million in USDT raised out of the $3.79 million out of the $3.8 million. My purchased amount, I do have some Bitcoin ETF token, which is 20,616. I ended up buying that on the Binance Smart Chain side. Just a fun fact, if you buy on this Binance Smart Chain side, you will not be able to have those benefits of the 72%. So if I wanted to change to Binance or BNB, if you purchase on BSC, during the pre-sale, you won't be eligible for the 72% annual returns from staking. We recommend buying on Ethereum if you want to stake. So you can buy on BNB if you just believe in the position, or you can buy in on ETH as you want to stake for the 72%. And I know people have been gaining a decent amount with it so far. Now, the current price of one BTC ETF is about 66% of a penny. So 6.6 here. You have that there, and you can buy with ETH, you can buy with USDT, you can buy with a card, you can also buy with BNB and also buy with Matic. So you get those options to be able to purchase it. You also have the audit here. If you want to go and check out the audit yourself or check out the white paper, you can check that out. Which you are seeing, everything's green. You don't have a honeypot. The owner can set a max amount, a max transaction amount. The owner can be excluded from fees. The owner can set fees. Owner can blacklist, right? So owner can set the sell fee to 5%. So either way, you have everything that is green that is there. So if you want to check out the audit for yourself, you can definitely check out the audit there. Now, if we look at the Twitter account, we're going to see that they have about 4,400 followers on Twitter, and definitely growing. And they post a lot about, obviously, the Bitcoin ETF if you want to go and check them out on Twitter. Let's scroll down here and see some more information there. They do offer the latest news on the Bitcoin ETF. So if you guys want to see and have, be updated on what's happening with ETF approvals, then you will have that here. You'll have the latest news that comes from literally 40 minutes ago, an hour ago, 3 hours ago, things of that nature. Now, what is Bitcoin ETF token? A token for new Bitcoin ETFs, an exchange traded fund for Bitcoin, has been a modern dream for Bitcoin believers for years, from the earliest speculations to an official application by BlackRock. ETFs for Bitcoin now appear inevitable. Bitcoin ETF alerts. You basically get these alerts with, Bitcoin ETF token, the website and everything there, and you want to get these alerts, you'll be able to get a breakdown of that. You can buy Bitcoin ETF or BTC ETF token in pre-sale right now, which we just went through, where you can buy with crypto, you can buy in a pre-sale, you can buy with a card, you can buy and stake if you guys want to. Now we can get into the roadmap a little bit. The roadmap for Bitcoin ETF token is linked to real life Bitcoin events. BTC ETF tokens are burned and staked. Staking rewards are increased as every Bitcoin ETF milestone is reached. So as you have the pre-sale, you will have our first focus to gather Bitcoin, the BTC ETF community, and raise awareness about the aim to fill everybody's bags before the first Bitcoin ETF approval. A fair pre-sale establishes a strong community. So you'll have the pre-sale launch, BTC ETF that is launched. So the Bitcoin ETF that is launched, or BTC ETF token that's launched, you'll have a 5% burn. After launching on a DEX, the burning mechanism reduces the token supply, with each transaction increasing scarcity. Transaction tax decreased by 1% each time Bitcoin ETF milestone is reached. Now, if we scroll over, let's see if I can scroll over here. Then you have a 25% token burn over time. A total of 25% of BTC ETF token supply is set to be removed from circulation as Bitcoin matures in the global market. 5% of the total supply is burned for every BTC ETF milestone that is passed. So you'll see all these milestones here. 100 million in volume, you'll see 5% of the total supply that gets burned off. Transaction tax reduced from 5% to 4%. ETF approval, you'll see the transaction tax go from 4% to 3%, and you'll see another 5% of the supply that's burned off, 105 million coins. Then you'll have the ETF launch date. First Bitcoin ETF launches in the US, another 5% and 3% to 2%. So you're seeing that overall transaction tax that is decreasing over time. And then you're also seeing the amount that's burning off overall. ETF assets hit $1 billion. That's another 5% burned off. 2% to 1%, and then 1% to 0% when you have Bitcoin reach 100K in price, which we all believe will happen. So honestly, they're pushing for the future and the success of cryptocurrency overall, and pushing for the approval, right? Pushing for the adoption of cryptocurrency. It's just a big deal within here. So honestly, it's definitely something that I feel like fits the market today. One, it gains in popularity, or has a ton of popularity, but also it's you're looking at something that can be a consistent mover with something like Bitcoin in the future, and could be worth a hell of a lot more than where it is, or where it will be, and where it will start. So whether it starts at a point of 66% of a penny, or you see it grow up to a level of $1 and such, right? I feel like you can see so much success within something like this as you have an actual Bitcoin ETF that's approved, and multiple Bitcoin ETFs that are approved, and the overall success of the crypto market. You can look at that and go, this may be a bigger player in the game. However, I want to make it known that anything has its risk to it. Anything. It doesn't matter what you are investing into, anything has it. And I feel like you guys need to research it yourself, dive into it a little bit more, where you guys can be completely comfortable with the investment that you're making. But I implore you to check out the links down below and look at it yourself. See if you think it's a good option, whether you think you should invest with ETH, or invest with BNB, or on the Binance Smart Chain. You make that choice, you make that decision. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, check out those links down below if you guys are interested. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.